I tried to make this video while it was hot, but every time I don't get around to it, so I'm gonna show you the after. I burned something. Yeah, we all do. As soon as I smelled it burning, I got it off the heat, scraped off all the rice, put it in a plate to cool down before I put it in the bin, and then I got left with a burnt pan. I already started scraping. I always do it with a spoon, but I'm gonna show you a little of how burnt it was. Like, it was burnt good. And if I didn't do what I do, I had to scrape like crazy for like an hour, like I did last week. But anyways, as soon as it was hot, I took it off the fire, and after scraping all the rice that was not burnt out of it, I immediately poured dishwash soap into it. It doesn't matter which one it is. I just use this one. As like it has to cover all the pan, like be royal with it. Like it has to cover all the burnt residue, and then you will see it bubble, and you leave it for like 10 minutes or whatever, how long, and then you come with a spoon and you scrape it off like so easy. Let me see, how can I hold this? Cannot hold it. Whatever it is, you have to try something else. So this is burnt. You have to scrape like crazy. Now I just go with a spoon. And it's gone like that. Like you get like some weird consistency stuff, but it's like you don't need no elbow muscle, elbow grease. You just yeah, I'm a professional movie maker. Sue me. Funny how what kind of shit comes out, right? Like this is just dishwash soap and burned stuff. Weird. Okay. And then throw it out. Like literally I did this a few days ago, almost a week, and I was too late, and the pan already cooled off because I wanted to make a movie. I got my camera, I was doing something else, so I let it cool down and it didn't work, and I was scrubbing for like almost an hour, and I was cussing and cussing, like why and why. But got you now on tape. So there's just a little left, and that will come off super easy. This is like a 5-minute work instead of the hour I did a few days ago. I'm like not doing anything weird, I'm just putting it down so I can scrape the lid off. For some reason, it always lags something when I do it on video, but I have to scrape a little there. Rather use the spoon. I think you get it, like 5 minutes and I'm done, so I'm not going to show you the rest. But you can agree that this works 100 times better than the baking soda salt thing they show you on YouTube. That one does not work. So, yeah.